It's me, Jimmy Agik. So here it is. I mean, the sound and build quality is quite great. You can easily put on, I mean, the magnet is quite easy and it do not hurt your neck. Just 1 minute, I don't know what I'm getting. Okay, yeah. But one thing I do not like is the back design. So this is the compartment where the battery is stored. So whenever you're wearing or walking, this will easily fall back. For example, like I'm listening to some music. Let me show you. Okay, and then it will suddenly fall back like this. Then yeah, it will suddenly fall back like this. I mean, where it went. So yeah, so that design is quite bad. It's not practical. I don't understand why they couldn't put the battery on the left and right to balance it. This is one of the reasons I do not recommend. The sound is good, the build quality is good, maybe amazing for the price, but this is a bad design. I will never buy any neck earbud with such a back compartment. It's a bad design. Let me show you from the front. For example, like you're using this one, suddenly the bulge of this battery compartment will pull your this neck band to fall, and sometimes it become very uncomfortable, especially on the ear if you are using it. This is one of the reason I just do not recommend it. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. I also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.